Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to read a Morningstar report. First, locate the fund's ticker symbol at the top. Then, scan for the Morningstar rating, a quick visual of its performance versus similar funds. Next, find the expense ratio, which indicates the annual cost of owning the fund. This initial scan helps you grasp the fund's basic profile and cost structure efficiently. Dive deeper into the report by examining the Morningstar rating, which ranges from 1 to 5 stars, indicating past performance relative to peers. Next, read the analyst report for a qualitative assessment of the fund's strategy and management. Pay attention to the investment style box, which visually represents the fund's equity holdings based on size and value versus growth. These sections offer a balanced view. Understanding specific data points is crucial. The expense ratio, for example, is a percentage that directly impacts your returns. Aim for lower numbers. Look at risk measures such as standard deviation, which quantifies volatility. A higher number means more price fluctuation. Finally, review the portfolio holdings to see exactly what the fund invests in, ensuring it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. To make informed decisions, synthesize all the information. Consider the Morningstar rating alongside the expense ratio and risk metrics. A 5-star rating with a high expense ratio might not be ideal. Ensure the fund's investment style and holdings align perfectly with your personal financial goals and risk appetite. Remember, past performance does not guarantee future results. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. This holistic approach empowers you to choose wisely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.